Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Create a daily study routine that fits Class 12 exam demands. Study physics daily for 2 to 3 focused hours with 25-minute sessions and 5-minute breaks to maintain concentration. Allocate 60% time to theory and 40% to problem solving each study day to balance concepts and application. Plan 6 study days per week and use 1 day for lighter review and consolidation to avoid burnout. Use a physical planner or app to schedule topics, and treat each session as a mini-exam by ending with a 10-minute recap. Start by understanding core concepts, not memorizing formulas. Build intuition for fields, motion, energy, waves, and modern physics before tackling long problems. Derive key formulas from fundamentals and practice derivations until they are fluent rather than rote. This enables you to adapt when questions vary. Use diagrams and units checking to validate answers and catch errors, and write vector directions clearly. After concept work, solve representative problems from each chapter, covering easy, medium, and one hard question to solidify application. Create topic-wise condensed notes and formula sheets for the last 30 days of revision so you can scan material quickly before exams. Practice previous papers under timed, 16:9 format exam conditions to manage time and identify weak spots. Simulate full papers twice a week in the final month. Prioritize high-weight chapters and aim to secure 70% plus in solved question sets to build confidence. On exam day, solve high-scoring problems first, mark time per question, and review numerical answers for units and significant figures.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.